This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household grocery products at a very competitive rate. Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how to add a phone call button in Hostinger website builder. First, I go to google.com and type Hostinger. I click on the first link. Here, I log in using my Gmail account. On the left side, I click on websites list. I scroll down and here I click on the website which is built on Hostinger website builder. I click on edit website. I scroll down. Here I click on contact. Scroll down. Here we are going to add a phone call button. For this, I go to add element, drag and drop the embed code. Here I click on enter code. I adjust the position of the delete the code and go to the notepad, copy the entire code and paste it here. Now I click on embed code. Now I adjust the position to the center of the page. And here I click on enter code. Here you can change the height, width, color, of the button, and I can edit the phone number below. Here I give my mobile number and click on embed code. For the mobile version, I drag and drop to it to the desired location. Adjust the position now and finally I click on update website. Now the website changes has been published. I click on visit site, click on contact. Now you can see the contact button is displayed here. For the mobile version, you can click on the same button to enter the phone option. Thank you.